replace the incandescent light fixture with the LED light fixture. In removal of the brush guard, you'll need two sizes, 17mm and 13mm. There's 4 bolts holding on the brush guard. The 2 forward bolts are 13mm that hold the light fixture onto the frame. The 2 top are at 13mm, and the 1 posterior bolt, or the bolt to the back, is a nut that is 17mm. I have a Mad Jax brush guard and lift kit, 6-inch lift kit on this vehicle. Now that the light fixtures are off, the new LED bulb set versus the old incandescent set, there's 3 wires that need to be plugged in. 2 wires going to the horn, and then the plug and play wire harness. And then, as you'll see underneath here, is another little feature I did, is I added on a bad boy air horn